Hello, kids! Today, I'm going to tell you an amazing story. We're going to see how this little bean seed turns into a big plant. Inside this tiny seed, there's a hidden plant, but it needs a few things to grow. Let's get started. First, our seed needs a comfy bed to rest in. For this, we'll use soil. Soil is full of vitamins and minerals. Next, we'll pour a little bit of water on it, but not too much, or the seed might drown. Now we wait. The seed needs some time to wake up. Shh! Look! The seed drank the water and woke up. Its shell is cracking and a tiny root is coming out. This root will grow deeper into the soil to collect water and nutrients. Here we go! Now our little sprout is reaching up toward the sun because sunlight gives it the energy to grow. Hello, little leaves. You look so beautiful. As the sprout grows, its leaves get bigger and stronger, but that's just the beginning. Isn't it so fun to watch our seed turn into a plant? Look, it's growing flowers now. These flowers are very important because the beans will grow where the flowers are now. Look, the flowers are gone, and now bean pods are growing in their place. Each pod hides many little beans inside. Aren't they amazing? From a tiny seed to a big bean plant. It's time to harvest our beans, but we have to be careful not to hurt the plant while picking them. These fresh beans can be used to cook delicious meals, or we can save their seeds to grow new plants. Isn't that wonderful? Who knew a seed could go on such an incredible journey? Now it's your turn. Plant a bean seed at home and watch it grow. See you next time, friends.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe Gigi Kids Tube.